This dance is called My Oh My. This is a full wall 32 count improver level line dance. This is choreographed by Dee Musk. Weights on the left foot, 7, 8. You're going to step out on the count and 1 right left and 1 right left, step back on the right foot. You're going to rock back on the left, recover right, step forward on the left foot, half turn pivot right, step forward on the left, half turn pivot right. Left rocking chair, alternate if you don't want to do the step half pivots. And 1, 2 counts, you're going to step out left, right, step back on the left foot, rock back on the right, recover left, step forward on the right, half pivot left, step forward right, half pivot left. Alternatively here, right rocking chair. You're going to weave to the right, side, behind, side, touch. Side, behind, quarter turn to the left, touch right next to the left. You're going to make a heel, grind, turn, back, rock. So heel, grind, quarter turn to the right, back, rock, recover onto the left foot. Repeat the whole set of steps again. Heel, grind, quarter turn, step back on the left, rock back on the right, recover left. And then restart the dance with your out, out, back. The counts of the dance. Weights on the left, 7, 8. And 1, step 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance we have 3 tags. They are danced at the ends of walls 2, 4 and 7. 2 to 6, 4 to 12, 7 to 9 o'clock. The tag of the dance, weights on the left, 7, 8. Rock, rock, back, rock, and touch, hold, and touch, hold. The count of the tag, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, hold 6, and 7, hold 8. This is wall 2, 7, 8. Out, out, back, back, rock, step pivot, out, out, back, back, rock, step pivot, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, quarter turn, touch, heel, turn, back, rock, heel, turn, back, rock. At this point on wall 2 you're facing 6 o'clock and you insert the tag. Rock forward, rock back, rock forward, and side, touch, hold, and side, touch, hold. Restart the dance. Out, out, back. The ending of the dance, you'll be facing 12 o'clock, dance up to the last 4 counts of the last section and add these counts. Rock forward on the right, back on the left, rock back on the right, rock forward on the left. Out, out, to finish off the dance. The counts of the ending, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Thank you for watching.